The year was 1969. The world held its breath. A new era of aviation was dawning. Boeing unveiled the 747, a jumbo jet unlike any other. It was massive, with a hump-like upper deck and 4 powerful engines. The 747 was a statement of ambition, a symbol of human ingenuity. It promised to shrink the world and connect people like never before. The 747 was born from a vision. Juan Trippe, the legendary founder of Pan Am, wanted a larger, more efficient aircraft. He challenged Boeing to build a plane that could carry hundreds of passengers. Boeing accepted the challenge, investing heavily in a new factory and pushing the boundaries of aerospace engineering. On September 30th, 1968, the first 747 rolled out of the Everett factory in Washington state. It was an awe-inspiring sight. The sheer size of the plane was staggering. People came from all over the world to witness the event. The 747 captured the imagination of a generation. It was a symbol of progress and the future of air travel. The 747's maiden flight took place on February 9, 1969. The plane soared into the sky, marking the beginning of a new era. The world watched in amazement. The jumbo jet era had arrived. The 747 was a marvel of engineering. It was the first wide-body aircraft, with 2 aisles and seating for hundreds of passengers. The plane's most distinctive feature was its hump-like upper deck. This design element was initially intended for crew rest areas or a luxurious lounge. However, it quickly became a popular spot for first-class passengers. Developing the 747 was a monumental task. Boeing engineers faced numerous challenges. The plane's size and weight required powerful new engines. The company had to develop new materials and manufacturing techniques. The 747 program pushed the limits of aerospace technology. One of the key innovations of the 747 was its high-bypass turbofan engines. These engines were significantly quieter and more fuel-efficient than previous jet engines. This innovation made long-haul flights more economical and environmentally friendly. The 747's design also incorporated advanced aerodynamics and a sophisticated flight control system. The 747's development was a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. Thousands of engineers, technicians, and workers contributed to the project. The plane's success solidified Boeing's position as a leader in the aviation industry. The 747 set a new standard for commercial aircraft design and paved the way for future generations of wide-body jets. The 747's entry into service in 1970 revolutionized air travel. Airlines embraced the jumbo jet. They were able to offer lower fares and transport more passengers. The 747 made air travel accessible to a wider range of people. It opened up new routes and connected distant corners of the globe. The 747 quickly became a symbol of luxury and comfort. Its spacious cabins and smooth ride transformed the flying experience. Passengers marveled at the plane's size and power. They enjoyed amenities like onboard lounges, movie theaters, and even piano bars. The 747 elevated air travel from a mode of transportation to an experience. The 747 was also a workhorse. It transported cargo, troops, and even the space shuttle. Its versatility made it an invaluable asset for airlines, governments, and organizations around the world. The 747 played a crucial role in humanitarian aid missions, delivering supplies and medical equipment to disaster-stricken areas. The 747's impact on the world extended beyond air travel. It fostered global trade and tourism. It facilitated cultural exchange and brought people from different backgrounds together. The 747 helped to create a more interconnected and interdependent world.